I think your eyes are getting sharper as the night's going to progress.
Yeah, I forgot how to
Oh,
wingsuit.
no, wrong fucking... I'm tapping A like, where's my parachute, damn it?
We both just dead fall.
And that's how we start the night.
Well, join us next time when we're more organized.
So if we keep going straight, we can probably swing around and get up there. I think there might be a road.
Maybe.
Or we can, you know, throw ourselves off a bridge again. Great. Okay, goodbye.
Oh.
That's why I was like, okay, goodbye.
Can't stop here.
Should I be?
It's backcountry.
It's backcountry.
Is there a way to turn off the radio? Ah, it's a tank!
Oh, God. I don't know. I got the music turned off, so I don't hear it at all. Oh, God.
Put ornament.
Oh!
Chicken. Oh, that's dog. Never mind.
Oh, that's a little bigger than a chicken. Oh, that looked horrific. I wish I wasn't looking backwards for that. That poor dog. That's what you get for running over the dog.
That's what you get for running in the street. Meet Danny Trail. Okay.
Marker. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, man. This checkpoint is so lucky we're turning around.
Oh, I know. Like, just in
we'll
the nick
be
of
back
time.
for you. We'll be back for you. You're talking to yourself.
I'll be right here, drooling.
It's Taco Tuesday.
I am worried about you. You're starting to talk to people that aren't there.
Look, man. He's there for me. He's there.
I'm sending in my troops to shut down your illegal business and seize all your tasty tacos. Give yourself up and live to see another day.
You're not gonna get our tacos.
I got you, Trejo! How are those tacos coming along, Trejo?
You can't rush perfection.
Pinga, how are you still alive? I need to get those incredible tacos for my import-export official reasons.
I think it's amazing that we're doing a mission to defend the tacos.
All soldiers, confiscate
Oh,
the
other
tacos.
side.
Yep,
Repeat,
already on it.
confiscate the tacos. I don't care if you have to
Confiscate
swim
the
across.
tacos.
Just get them.
Oh,
And don't
it's
forget to
fun.
grab the secret fucking recipe.
All the fucking previews for this game are like so serious, and then you play it.
And it's great.
Get the fucking tacos! He's like, you could start the revolution. He's got the grenade pin pulled in his son's hands, or grandson, or whatever the fuck, and it's like...
Get the fucking tacos!
It's dramatic as shit, and then it's... You get into it, it's protect the fucking tacos. This is why Far Cry is superior to all...
Air support!
I see you, taco terroristas. I see you.
Oh.
I'm not leaving until you're both dead. And I my tacos.
Wow. The guy who obviously got a really fucked up order from Taco Bell
man.
sometimes, so he's got Taco Bell issues.
Oh, it's always Taco Bell, isn't it?
Man, I'm telling you, you don't even have to have taco issues to have Taco Bell issues.
I have no idea. I'm looking at the map.
Oh,
What's going on?
nothing. That's good.
Do not kill civilians. What did you do?
Nothing.
I'm looking at a body. Nothing. I didn't do nothing.
It's close to now.
We're good.
Now we're good. Oh, that's to get off the bike. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye! I didn't go far.
There we go. Oh my god. This fucking deer just came out of nowhere.
Venison.
Venison.
Let's go back. We'll have to go back for
is
dinner
that
later.
real venison? Hold on a second. Wow. He totally, like, almost lost a finger.
That's not the one I want. No, that's not the one I want.
Yeah.
He's gonna be fat. I don't want to overfeed him. I want to pet him. Pet the damn crocodile. Thank you. Oh, that's a good boy.
Nice boy.
That's a good boy.
Guerrillas need to die with our past.
There we go.
That's odd.
Oh! Oh, you're dragging him in the... Oh! You're dragging him in the treads. Oh, God!
There's something stuck in my teeth.
Amazing!
There's
Dude!
something stuck
All
in my
I see is...
teeth.
Hold on. Oh my god, all I see is just blood spraying. Drive towards me again. He must have disappeared now. My god, there was just... No, he's still there. Oh god, the whole tank's shaking because...
I feel it, like there's resistance.
His leg is stuck in the back and you're just dragging him around.
Yeah, you know, should we name him?
Oh, I think you finally let him go.
Not on my screen, I don't see anybody.
You finally let him go, he's at my feet. Here, look.
Nice.
You were dragging him up and down the fucking street. You said you wanted to ask him a question, but you never asked anything.
Yeah. I'm good on that.
I would put a bullet in.
Oh my god, I got a couple. I got a couple of.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
I got more than I
I was
thought.
like, I was looking at that like, wow, what a magical moment. And then all of a sudden they all die around me.
It was magical, wasn't it?
Like, right.
Oh man. Leave it to me to ruin a beautiful moment like that, right?
Oh no, it was still beautiful.
Bird! Bird! I guess that one will live. You're lucky. Oh. Oh. No, that's coming for us. I got it. I got it. We're safe. We're good. What a majestic creature.
When the guy at Tim Hortons makes the vanilla ice latte so good, you just want to congratulate him with a reach around. Handshake.
Right. Handshake.